Hello, my name is Jason Perkins, and I want to welcome you to another episode of the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I wanted to help people who've been injured at work with information about Georgia's workers' compensation laws and the benefits available to them under those laws. Today, I want to talk to you about why your workers' compensation check stopped. Now, obviously, I don't know why your particular check stopped, but if your check is stopped, then you certainly need to ask the question about was it proper or not. There are several different reasons that the workers' compensation insurance company could stop your check. One is if you've gone back to work. In most situations, if you're receiving a check for being out of work, what's known as temporary total disability, then that check stops when you return to work. It may stop completely, or the insurance company may pay you something called temporary partial disability benefits if you're back at work but making less money as a result of your injury. Check might also stop if your authorized treating physician says you can return to work at 100%, full duty without restrictions. In that situation, the law allows the insurance company to stop your check. If it's your authorized treating physician and you really do have that full duty 100% release. The third situation is if your employer has offered you a job that's suitable to you, but you've refused it. In that situation, if the insurance company has done things right and the employer's offered it correctly, they may be able to stop your check. Also, sometimes your check can be stopped when you haven't returned to see your authorized treating physician. The insurance company's tried to schedule you appointments to see your authorized treating physician, notified you about those appointments, and you're just refusing to go. Sometimes in that situation, the insurance company follows proper procedures, they can stop your checks. There are many different reasons that insurance companies can stop checks. And there's other situations where they stop checks anyway. One important thing I'd like you to remember is that just because your check has been stopped does not mean the insurance company did it properly. There's a number of different rules and procedures that insurance companies have to follow in order to properly stop your checks. And many times if they don't follow those rules and procedures, you may be able to get your check started back. You may be able to do it without going to court, or it may require going to court to do that. But you definitely need to look into any situation when your checks get stopped to make sure the insurance company has done it properly. Normally that's going to mean that you probably need to reach out to an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases to discuss your particular set of facts and to find out whether the check was stopped properly or not. Hope you found this information about why workers' compensation insurance companies stop checks helpful. If you have, please let me know that by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. You can also visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube if you'd like to view more videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. And you can subscribe if you want to be notified as new videos come out. If you've got some specific questions about why your check stopped, or you've got other questions about Georgia Workers' Compensation law, then I encourage you to reach out to me and schedule a free consultation about your case. I'd be happy to talk to you. There's two easy ways that you can get that set up. The first is by calling our office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen, or the second is by visiting us on our website, which is www.perkinsstuddard.com, where you can complete and submit our free consultation request form there. And someone from our workers' compensation team will contact you and get us time set up for you to speak with me. I'd like to thank you again for watching today, and I'd really like to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.